everyone, welcome back. Is the Trump Accounts app getting stuck partway through creating your account and just won't let you finish even after you've filled everything correctly? Here's the fix. First, force close the app completely from your recent apps by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Close it completely by swiping it away and then reopen it. Then see if it picks back up where you left it off. Most stuck sign up screens are a temporary server sync issue that clears with a fresh app session. If it won't move forward, then go to your settings, general, then go to iPhone storage. Scroll down through the list of apps until you find the Trump Accounts app. Tap on it and offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for the app, and then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. After reinstalling, log back in with the same email and password that you've already created. You should not need to start the sign up from scratch. If you're still stuck after that, remember that the actual Trump account election has to be filled through IRS Form 4547 first, and then the app is just for managing the account afterward. So double check at TrumpAccounts.gov that your form was actually submitted. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen first, then offload and reinstall if still stuck, and confirm your IRS from 4547 was submitted. Sign up will complete and that's it. Subscribe.